Hey guys, Victoria from Creative 2 here, and a few weeks ago I posted a Facebook fact, and that was kind of surprising for a lot of people, and we got quite a few likes on Instagram, and we also posted on our Facebook, and someone even asked, well, how do you do it? How do you convert a personal page into a business page? So let's start off with the Facebook fact. It is against Facebook terms to use your personal page as a business page. And if you do not convert your page, you can lose access to your account. And yes, this has happened, and I have proof right now in a little bit. But yes, if Facebook finds out that you're using your personal page as a business page, according to their policies, they have the right to delete your account completely, and then you lose all your friends. You're just gonna lose this great Facebook page that you created over time. So, guys, here I am to give you a reality check and to show you how to convert your page. And it's actually really easy. But before I go there, I want to show you proof, right? So here's a great article by F-Stoppers, and this is someone who lost their page due to using it as a business page. And they put, "My biggest fear just came true. Facebook deleted my account, sad face." And you can tell down here by the comments, this Facebook user keeps talking about it, and they go, "I'm trying to figure out how to appeal. I've written a few emails, and they just come back saying that Facebook doesn't support those emails." So, I mean, or I'm not sure who this is, but, you know, this person had a really hard time with it, and I'm assuming they actually couldn't get their account back. So we don't want that to happen to you, and that's why we made this tutorial. And it's very easy. I'm going to provide the links to all of these web pages because that's what you're going to need. So Facebook actually has an article on the Help Center. And as you can tell here, it says, "How do I convert my personal account to a Facebook page?" And they tell you exactly step by step how you would do that. But overall, there are just 2 steps. You go to create a Facebook page based on your profile, which is this page, and then just click Get Started, and you follow the on-screen instructions, and you're done, guys. It's that easy. It's not difficult. Facebook will guide you through the whole process. You just click here on Get Started, and it will turn any of your personal pages into a business page. Now, note that this can only be done once. So you can only convert your profile page once, okay, guys? So you can't go from business page back to personal page. Nope. So make sure you understand that, and make sure that this is actual personal page that you're using as a business page, and you actually want it to be a business page. All right, guys? So I'm going to add all these links there. I hope it helped. I hope that bunch of you end up doing this so that you don't go against Facebook's terms and policies, you know, and that you don't lose all of your friends and everything that you worked your ass off for, okay? So I hope this helped, and we'll see you later.